Okay, hi everyone. So let's start with today's daily MCQ session. There were 6 questions. Two or three were difficult, one or two were very easy, and one was calculation based. Okay, so let's start solving. Those who have not joined the Telegram channel yet, do join it so that you get to practice these MCQs on daily basis, and then you can check the video for your doubts. Okay, fine. Let's start. Select incorrect statement. If n, this is tends to, okay, if n tends to infinity, that is n is nearly infinity and p is nearly 0 such that np is finite, then binomial distribution is approximated by Poisson distribution. Now this is a correct statement because if n is large and p is small, then binomial can be approximated by Poisson if this condition is true. Okay. For large values of m, Poisson distribution tends to normal distribution. Now that is also correct because Poisson distribution is generally positively skewed. But as m becomes large, m is also its mode, right? So then this shifts like this. So it starts becoming like normal distribution. So this is also correct statement. For large n and p tends to 1, binomial distribution is nearly or tends to normal distribution. Now this is the incorrect statement, or this is our answer. Why? Because normal distribution is symmetric. Okay, so this should be 0.5. When probability is exactly half and n is very large, then binomial distribution starts becoming like normal distribution. Okay, so this is our answer. I hope you have got it. If not, let me know in comments. Second, find correlation coefficient between x and y. Okay, so this is x, this is y. Let me write y here. 7, 9, 1, 0, 5, 6, 2. Okay, now this is purely a calculator based question. Okay, so you have to take out your calculator and do it fast. The best formula from exam point of view to use for R is this: n summation xy minus summation x summation y upon square root of n summation x square minus summation x bracket square into square root of n summation y square minus summation y bracket square. No need to write it in exam, but this is the fastest formula. Why? Because you can find each value fast and then write it and then get the answer. How do you do it? Let's try. N is 7, or you can just multiply it directly. First let's do this. Summation xy. What is this? X into y m plus x into y m plus. Do it on calculator. 5 into 7 m plus, 8 into 9 m plus, 6 into 1 m plus, so on. Do it and let me know. 2 into 0, 4 into 5, 7 into 6, 0 into 2. When you press MRC, you should get 175. Okay, you should get 175. So 175 into 7 is going to be what? 1225 minus summation x into summation y. What is summation x? Let's check. 5, 8, 6, 2, 4, 7. Summation x is 32. Summation y, let's check how much it is. 30 divided by square root of, okay, n into summation x square. How do we do summation x square? X square. So 5 square m plus, 8 square m plus, 6 square m plus, and so on. So do it on calculator. 5 into equal to m plus, 8 into equal to m plus, 6 into equal to m plus. Do it on calculator fast. Let me know what is the answer. Let me also do it. Check if it is 194 when you press m plus MRC, and into 7 is 1358 minus summation x square, which is 32 square. What is 32 square? 32 into 32, or 32 into equal to is 1024, right? Into second bracket, same for y. 7 into equal to m plus, 9 into equal to m plus, 1 into equal to m plus, and so on. And then at the end multiply it by 7. Let's check how much it is. When you press MRC, you should get 196, and into 7 is 1372 minus 30 square is 900. So now it is easy to do it on calculator. Check what is the answer. 1225 minus 32 into 30. So numerator should be 265 upon that 1358 minus 1024. You can do this m plus, then do this, then into MRC, and then equal to and square root. If it feels complicated, leave it, do it manually one by one, but you should be comfortable with your calculator. The way you use your phone, okay, you use your phone very fast, right? Similarly, you should be able to use your calculator, okay, without even looking at it. So check if denominator is something like 397 point something. If yes, the answer should be 265 by 397.04 something. 0.667. 0.667424 something. Okay, so that is the correct answer for this. I hope it is clear. Third, there are approximately 1.92 lakh students appearing for a particular exam. A gets 99.62 percentile in the exam. Percentile. How many students have scored more than him? Okay, 99.62 percentile. That means only 100 minus 99.62. These many percentage of students have scored more than him. Okay, so what is 100 minus 99.62? Check. 100 minus 99.62 gives you 0.38. Right. Okay. That means only 0.38% students have scored more than him. So just check 1,92,000 into 0.38%. Check if you are getting 729.6 something. So approximately 730 students have scored more than him. Okay. This was a good question, different question. Fourth. Now this is again different. In a language, it is awesome is something o toko fi. You are awesome is ler gut o. They are going is something. You must get going is something. What can be they must get it? Okay, let's check. Now you have to identify common words in such cases. If you see in first sentence and second sentence, awesome is common. Similarly, what is common in these two then? Check. If you see O is common, right? That means awesome is O. Okay, let's cancel awesome O. Okay, let's check second sentence and third sentence. In those two sentences, R is the common word, R. Similarly, in their translation, what is the common word? Gut. Gut is the common word, right? That means R is GUT. Fine. No need to do all this. We just want these words, but fine. We'll have to get there by taking it one by one. Next, they. Now they we can arrive at later. Let's see common words. Going. Going is common in this sentence and this sentence, right? Fine. So which must be going? Kit and bought. Similarly here bought is there. So bought must be going, right? Because it is appearing in both of them. So going is bought. Similarly now you. Okay, you must be this ler, right? Because only the one word is remaining from there. So you is this ler. Again you is in this also. So let's cancel it. Let's see if we can do it. They must get it. Now they is also kit. We know that because only one word is remaining. So they is kit. They must get it. Fine. It is awesome. Then you are awesome is done. They are going is done. You must get going. Fine. Now must and get are remaining, which must be joke or Jim. And it and is remaining, which must be toko and fi. Right. Fine. We want they must get it. How many words out of these do we have already? They we have. That means kit has to be there. Kit. Must we don't have, but must get we have. Must get, right? Must get is what? Joke and Jim. That means joke has to be there. Jim has to be there. And for it can be either toko or fi. So it can be either toko or fi. Now this was a very complex question. I hope you have understood entire process up to this point. If not, let me know in comments or watch this again once. But now only it is remaining. So it and is must be toko or fi. So any word out of those must be there. If you have not understood, let me know. Okay. Now order does not matter because they have not given any specific order. So we want kit, joke, Jim, toko or kit, joke, Jim, fi. So kit, joke, Jim, fi. This is one possible answer. Then kit, joke, Jim, toko. This is also one possible answer. So A or B is the correct answer for this. Now this was a very complex question and a good one for LR. So I hope everyone has understood this. If not, let me know in comments. I can give you more questions like this for practice. Okay. Next. Fifth. A has 4 friends and B, a spouse, has 5 friends. How many ways are there to invite 4 guests to the party so that at least one of A and B's friends are there? At least one of them. So there are 2 ways to do this. A, B. A has 4 friends, B has 5 friends. At least one of them, that means what combinations we have? 4 guests, right? So 1 of A, 3 of B, 2, 2 and 3, 1. So let's do this. So always convert it into and or. This is and, right? And this is or. And is multiplication, or is addition. 4C1 into 5C3, 4C2 into 5C2, 4C3 into 5C1. Let's do it. 4C1 is 4. You can do it on calculator also if you don't know these values. Into 5C3 is 10, or 4C2 is 12 and 5C2 is 10, or 4C3 is 4 and 5C1 is 5. Let's do it on calculator now. 180. Okay, I must have written some answer wrong. Just a second. 4C1 is not 1. 4C1 is 4. Then 5C3 is 10. That is correct. 4 I have taken. Okay. Oh, sorry. 4 into 10. Yes. Then 12 is also correct. This is 6. Fine. What is the answer then? 4 into 10 m plus, 6 into 10 m plus, then 4 into 5 m plus. 120 is the correct answer when you press MRC. Okay. Do this on calculator if you are not sure. I also made a silly mistake here in this calculation. Fine, does not matter. 120 is the correct answer for this. I hope you have understood the approach. Okay. Last. Probability of getting an easy question in a paper is 0.4. What is the probability that out of 10 questions, none will be easy? Now this is clearly binomial distribution because easy is probability of success, which is 0.4. Probability of failure is 0.6. Number of trials is 10. None means we want 0 successes. So what is the formula? 10C0 into P raised to 0 into Q raised to n minus 0, which is 10. Now this is 1, this is 1. So just 0.6 raised to 10 is the answer. So on your calculator you can take 0.6 into then equal to 9 times. Okay, let's check how much that is. Check if you get 0.006047 something. So this is the correct answer, option A. Normal binomial question, nothing different in that. So I hope everything is clear to you. Don't make silly mistakes like I did today. And there are going to be some complicated questions like this. Don't get confused by that. In exam, okay, I have uploaded some videos on strategies for exam, but just remember that if such complicated questions come in exam, skip them and come back at the end, because you have only 2 hours and 100 questions. It is not possible to do everything. Okay, so solve whatever you can fast, reach till 100, then come back for the difficult questions or lengthy questions. Okay, fine. I hope this is clear to everyone. Let's stop here for today. We'll meet in next MCQ session. Meanwhile, join the Telegram channel so that you can access the MCQs daily and get good practice. I am shortly going to announce revision batch as well, so I'll make an announcement in a day or two for that. Okay, bye everyone.